I, Minerva Hermosa, will report and examine the study about integration plans on teaching controversial topics and related issues in social studies. There are two topics involved in this discussion. The first one is finding solution to hunger, while the second topic is hate-free. Can we? Earth International is the proponent of this activity. Listed here is the URL or Uniform Resource Locator used for the studies. Finding solutions to hunger was created by Diane McDowell of USA, earned master teacher. According to her, her goal as teacher for this activity is to open the students' eyes to hunger in the world, and even her as well. The students that are involved here are from grade level 6 to 8. She pointed out that the goal of the Finding Solution to Hunger project is to open the students' eyes to hunger in the world. Students will learn what constitutes the global issues, how to communicate and collaborate with other countries, and develop good research and problem-solving skills in this online collaborative learning environment. The content areas that are involved in this paper are science and social studies. Science because it uses scientific method in gathering information, while social studies because this activity will develop student awareness and good citizenship. Hate-free Can Be was created by MacAbi Teresa. The creation of this project started when a local African woman in January 2009 was assaulted by a woman in a white sheet with KKK written on it. According to her, many students think that only happens in other places, not in their communities, and their communities is immune from this behavior, especially hate crimes. She would like her students to be aware of what is happening in their communities, how hate crimes affect people and groups, and how they can help bringing out changes in their communities and combat hate and hate crimes. The focus of these activities are 11th grade students. Upon doing these activities, students will demonstrate a way citizens can work cooperatively, peacefully, and hate crimes in their communities, develop a position on a problem of the day, formulate an action on a problem of the day, and predict challenges of the future. Define the terms universal human rights, diversity, tolerance, intolerance, hate crimes, persecution, prosecution, stereotyping, altruism, discrimination, prejudice, and scapegoating. Examine issues and conflicts categorized as universal human rights, and compare and evaluate the impact of stereotyping, altruism, discrimination, prejudice, scapegoating, and behavioral impact on individuals and groups. The content areas focus is social studies because this involves having the ability of students to make a stand or position on the issues involving the individuals or group in the communities. I choose this topic because I believe in the advocacy of these two inspiring and talented teachers. I share with them my sentiment in fighting hunger in the communities in the world, and I would like to have a free environment. I truly believe that through this activity, I can help my students to open their minds about different social and economic issues that we are facing right now. With this, they can make a necessary action to contribute in achieving this goal, and I make them realize that to eradicate this problem, everybody should work together and start to care for everyone. Some of the highlights of finding solution to hunger are the following. A. Students will be aware about local and global issues. Nowadays, we can't deny that we are facing various local and global issues, such as hunger. But unfortunately, majority of the people of the world don't care about it. So it's really timely that students through this activity will be aware and be ready to do their share in solving this problem. According to Dr. Brejan Bedabat, the subject is very important from humanity's point of view because a quarter to one third of food materials are wasted every year, and about one-sixth of the people of the world, which about 1 billion people, are facing malnutrition, and about one-third of them are hungry. B. Know how to use collaborative approach. To make research more meaningful and timely, they are encouraged to use variety of approaches. One of these is collaborative approach. In this study, the students use collaborative approach to ensure good outcomes. C. Develop research skill. I believe that all the skills that they learn and use in this research can be a great help from them. Some of the skills that they learn are about computer literacy, language proficiency, and critical thinking skill. Hopefully, all the skills that will be learned will help them in their studies. B. Apply time management. Teaching time management is one of the tasks of the teacher to their student, so that no time and effort will be wasted. Good time management is essential to be successful in life. Thus, in this project, teacher taught students to apply time management. E. Understand the importance of food. According to Sustainability Journal from the Swedish Research Council, food is key importance in sustainable society. For humans, food is both a basic necessity for life and a source of pleasure and problems. In the rich world, the basic needs have long been satisfied. Meals play a key role in social life, and there is a great interest in food and cooking. At the same time, there are problems of affluence such as obesity and diet-related cardiovascular diseases. And F. Realize the root of hunger. Based from the report of World Food Program, there are many reasons why we are experiencing hunger in this present world. The causes of hunger are natural disasters, wars, poverty trap, agricultural infrastructure, and overexploitation of our environment. Through these activities, students will realize the root of hunger. A hate-free environment are dreams of every individual. Thus, this study is significant. The highlight of this paper can be seen in its objectives. First objective is to demonstrate ways on how citizens can work cooperatively to resolve personal, local, regional, and world conflict peacefully. Second, to develop position and formulate action on the problems of today and predict challenges of the future. Third, to compare and evaluate the impact of stereotyping, conformity, act of altruism, and other behaviors on individuals and groups. And lastly, examine concerns, issues, and conflicts categorized as universal human rights. The presentations of the community involved in the study are defined. Thus, it is very easy to know how to address this problem. The community group can be a great help in this project are human rights activists, possibly a victim of hate crimes, enforcement officials, prosecuting attorney, city council member, and or country commission member, member of the state human rights commission, historical remembrance or reenactment group. May sound. lesson is about finding solutions to hunger. Here, the teacher explained the reason and objective of this study. She also pointed out the importance and result of the project to the students and communities. The research made by the EARN teacher are very timely because finding solution to hunger and hate-free environment are one of the common and local international issues of the world. Through these studies, students will be aware that there are people in our community or other communities that are experiencing this kind of problems. In order to solve this, members of the community should be involved. Aside from awareness, this activity will enhance the various skills of the student, such as computer literacy, critical thinking, language proficiency, and many other more. Hopefully, this will help them to develop concern among our fellow men. This activity is timely because the student will know the different problems that our world is facing right now and relevant too because they will understand that they can help in eradicating hunger and hate crimes in their communities. The studies are significant in the development of student awareness because it opens the mind of the student about the social and economic issues locally and globally. I also realized that teaching is not only about subject matter, but instead how they can use their knowledge in helping people. This activity challenged me to promote good citizenship in my students through role modeling. I am not only teaching about the subject matter, but instead the good virtue of life. Listed here are some of my suggested issues that are related to the culture and society. Child labor. Based on the report of ILO, or International Labor Organization, child labor is one of the major problems of the children right now. Thus, it's timely to know and open the mind of the student about it. Human trafficking. According to UNODC, or United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes, human trafficking is a crime against humanity. It involves an act of recruiting, transporting, transferring, harboring, or receiving a person through a use of force, coercion, or other means for the purpose of exploiting them. This is important topic that should be given focus because it happens in any countries. And child soldier. It's very alarming to know that many children are being abused and used to be a child soldier. So hopefully through this I can help in spreading the news about it.